today we're going to see how many Rubik's Cubes I can solve while in the plank position. Let's get started. Alright, so we have 10 scrambled Rubik's Cubes right here. I can usually plank for around 2 to 4 minutes, it just depends on the day. So I don't know what I'm going to do today, but I'm hoping to get through at least 6, that's my lower bar, and we'll see if I can somehow get all 10, but I really don't think that's going to happen. I think a good midway point would be 8, so let's see if I can do at least 8. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and inspect the first 2 or 3 cubes, see if I can get the cross down. I'll just inspect the first 2. Alright, we'll start in 3, 2, 1, go. That's 1 down. And that's 2. Oh, we didn't solve this one. We got a corner twist right here. On to the third one. Alright, that's 3. On to the fourth. And now it's going to start getting difficult. Alright, we got 4. We got 5. Alright, it's getting pretty difficult now, but we're gonna keep on going. We'll see how many we can get. Forgot that roll right there. And we got 6. And 7. Alright. It's getting pretty difficult now, but we're gonna push through it. We're at 8, so I'll go 2 more. We can do it. Alright, 1 more. And we did it. That's 10. Alright, I didn't think I could do it, but we did it. I think I could have probably done 1 or 2 more if I just pushed myself a little bit more. But that was pretty good. We got 10. I don't know how long that took. I'm guessing 2 to 3 minutes. I feel like I should be able to plank for a little bit more time, but when you're moving your fingers, it's a lot harder to concentrate on the plank because you're mainly concentrating on this. You kind of like lose your posture and it starts to get really difficult. So yeah, that was it for this video, guys. This kind of different video from what I usually do. We also got 2 camera angles, which is something I don't usually do. I just use one. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. We got 10 Rubik's Cube solved. Here, they're all solved. No corner choice. We got a corner choice on that first one, which I didn't notice, but it still counts. We got 10 Rubik's Cube solved. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.